Simon & Schuster Audio presents The Fiber35 Diet, Nature's Weight Loss Secret by Brenda Watson with Leonard Smith. Read by Brenda Watson.
Take a moment to think about every weight loss plan you have ever tried. Chances are that at one time or another you were told to avoid something: fat, sugar, carbohydrates, and you listened. You trimmed and skimped, curbed and cut back. Yet despite your dedication, you battled constant cravings. You endured fatigue, loss of energy, and poor health. And in the end, you managed to gain back every single pound you lost. Sound familiar? Now imagine a weight loss program designed to change all that. Scientific research has proved that reducing the amount of calories we eat is the only way to lose weight and maintain our ideal body weight for life. But what we don't often hear is that nature has created an amazing nutrient that can help us do both of these things. It is called fiber. By definition, fiber is the indigestible part of fruits, seeds, vegetables, whole grains, and other edible plants. But one could just as easily call it a miracle nutrient. Why? Because fiber and fiber-rich foods actually help regulate blood sugar, control hunger, and increase the feeling of fullness, all of which are essential to losing weight and keeping it off. When I began writing the Fiber35 Diet, my goal was simple: to help as many people as possible achieve their weight loss goals using the power of this remarkable little nutrient. In fact, the Fiber35 Diet is based on eating 35 grams of fiber per day. Although this sounds simple, you may be surprised to discover that the majority of Americans consume less than half that amount. Too many processed foods and refined sugars in our diet have taken the place of fiber.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?